Alright, so we're starting to take off the old shock. Got the bottom out. Now I'm just going to cut off the top nut right there and we'll be able to get her out. Alright, we got the old shock out, and of course it's starting to rain, of course. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see how much we can get done here before it really starts downpouring. But at least we got the old shock out. And here is the other shock that came out. You can still compress it pretty easily with one hand, but at least this one seems to have some life left in it. But either way, we're going to replace it. And we have the new shock on. Just going to put the tire on and then drop it back down, and then I will continue to adjust that top nut when there's some weight on the system. But other than that, looks like we're set. Alright, we got the tire back on, shock is installed, looks like we're good. Alright, and these are again the Atturo Trailblade tires, all-terrain. Been good tires so far. Good tread life too. I mean, drove them all winter, and yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching.